Trader Zelman here. It's August 5th, 2018, Sunday morning. I'm going to report on HEME, ticker symbol HEME. We've been reporting on this particular symbol for quite a while now, just providing some more updates moving forward into the following week. I expected HEME to go higher. Had not done so. It's been battling the 7 level for quite a while. There's two downtrends that was created that I just placed over here. This is the downtrend that was broken. However, the sellers look like they're creating a separate downtrend after the first one was broken, which is right here. 7 is still resistance. If it does break through this barrier, the second downtrend that's above the first one, it'll be above, I want to say above 7, and HEME should go higher from there. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or go to my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses. Till next time.